guys, welcome back to another video from the E-Innovators. This video is an increment in our chapter MIT App Inventor. In this video, we'll be learning how to build the simple program of turn on and off LED with the MIT App Inventor using the speech recognition function. So let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, so please do it to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. And if you are unaware of the MIT App Inventor and want to know the basics, you can start with our playlist on the top right corner in the I button. To build the circuit, the components required are Arduino UNO, HC05 Bluetooth module, LED, 200 ohms resistor and a breadboard. Let's move towards the dashboard and start designing the application. First, start a new project. A small window will appear where you can name your project. After that, your project automatically appears. In the Bluetooth setup, drag list picker to screen and change its property, where change width from automatic to fill parent. Its name to Bluetooth. Drag label to check Bluetooth is connected or not and change its width property and leave blank space in its name section. Now set up speech recognition system. Select any layout and adjust its width. Select button, drag it on the selected layout. Change its width and change its name to speak from the text box. So whenever a user will click on this button, it will start speak recognition functionality. Go into the media section, select speak recognizer. Drag it on screen. You can see speak recognizer under the screen because it's a non-visible component. Whatever you speak, it must have to print on the screen. For this, we'll be using label again. To do that, go to the user interface and drag the label again and change its width from automatic to fill parent. Also increase font size to 55 so you can easily see what you say and also remove the text. For the Bluetooth setup, go to the connectivity, select Bluetooth client and go to the sensors and select clock. You can also see them in the non-visible components. Now let's move towards the block coding. As Bluetooth setup is always same for all the coding, so you have saved the code from the first video of the MIT App Inventor in the backpack, so let's use it. First block is used to see which Bluetooth device are available or previously connected. Select block will enable you to connect the Bluetooth device. And the third part is clock part. Basically, clock is used for real-time operation. And if you are connected to the Bluetooth, it will show connected, else it will show not connected. Furthermore, when the button is pressed, the program will get the text from the speech recognition. Select button and drag .click do block. Select speak recognizer and drag get text block in do statement. It means whenever speak button is pressed, speak recognizer will get the text. Now we are looking at what will happen when the speak recognition is active. From speech recognizer, select after getting text when do statement from the Bluetooth client. Select send text and drag it in the do statement. Duplicate label to text and place it under call statement. From speech recognizer, select result and place it after the text and duplicate it. Place it after the Bluetooth client text. Basically, after getting the text, it must send by the Bluetooth what has been spoken, and that speech is written in the place of the label 2. The coding part for this video will be same as the previous one. How to make an app for Android using the MIT App Inventor. With just few changes, when status is turned on, the LED will become on, and when the status is turned off, the LED will become off. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link that in the top right corner on the I button. Please check it out. Let's move towards the circuit part. In this circuit, we need Arduino UNO, HC05 Bluetooth module, LED, 220 ohms resistor and some jumper wires. Connect the ground of the Bluetooth module with the system's ground. Connect the VCC of the Bluetooth module with the 5 volts pin of Arduino. Connect RX pin to the 11th pin of the Arduino. Connect DX pin to the 10th pin of the Arduino. Negative of the LED is connected with the system's ground and the positive of the LED is connected with the resistor. Other terminal of the resistor is connected with the pin number 13 of the Arduino. And connect system's ground with the ground pin of the Arduino and give the supply to the Arduino. For the demonstration, first connect the Bluetooth and then start speaking.
Turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Turn off.
If you are facing still any problems with the basics of the MIT App Inventor, you can check our playlist which I have linked in the top right corner on the I button related to the MIT App Inventor and how you can use it to make apps for the Android. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe the channel to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Also join us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links are in the description below. See you guys in the next video shortly. Stay safe, stay at home. Peace out.